Go, go!
It's loose! Oh God, it's loose!
I shouldn't have activated the bypass. Now he's free. What have I done?
Hello, Animal Rescue? We have a situation.
Understood. Understood. We're on our way.
That heat signature, it's Wascowitz, it's abnormal.
The thermal output is far beyond any indigenous species.
We're making good time. We'll hit the access point just as planned.
Hang tight back there, Min. Look, over there! I think I see her! Faster! I'm pushing it, hold on.
That calf, it's actually guiding us.
Okay, she's really agitated. Ming, bring the tranquilizer and follow me. We have to secure her quickly.
The target is on the move, confirming the net is fully charged.
It is, boss, and the dart is set for maximum range.
All right, eyes sharp, let's secure the animal.
I'll track the snake. You two focus on Bella. Command, this is Lon. We are advancing into Sector 4. Monitor seismic levels closely. Good boy, Milo.
Her heart's weak, but she's still with us.
What was the purpose of all this, Professor?
I deeply regret what happened here.
He wasn't meant to be a weapon.
But you made him suffer far too much. Off you...
Forgive me. Forgive me.
Bella's recovering. Milo hasn't left her side.
Perhaps we can relocate him to a sanctuary instead of destroying him?
But
Sometimes rescue isn't just saving victims, but also those who are misunderstood.
Okay, everyone, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got the weight moving forward slowly.
All creatures fear being hurt, but only compassion can truly save them.